friends! So, for today, natuwa lang ako kasi hindi talaga ako nagsuklay. Pagkaligo ko kasi kagabi, par in-air dry ko lang siya, tapos natulog na kami. Kasi galing kami kila Tita Belle kahapon. Tapos, nakalimutan ko na meron nga pala ako nitong Avo Babe na hair mask. Kasi yung kahapon na vlog, parang oh my gosh, ang tigas ng hair ko, tingnan, yun ako ganun. Tapos, yun, nag-hair mask ako. Alam mo, wala pa nga 2 minutes to nakababad kasi nagmamadali na ako kasi nga, sleep time na. Ang ganda niya! Ang lambot niya! So, totoo talaga yung sinabi ni Vivis. Kay V ko kasi ito nakita yung, kung kilala nyo si Kong and V, Kong TV. Yun. Ang ganda niya. Nasa Pilipinas, kaya try nyo to. Pero alam ko marami na ring, hindi ko sure kung may ibang variants na nito. Pero alam ko kasi yung shampoo nito may ibang variants na. So, yun. Ito talaga, isang gamit pa lang. Yan. Ooh! Tapos wala, pag ginano may hair mo, walang ganun, no? As in, diretso. Ang ganda! So, yun. Yun lang, na-share ko lang. So, may link ako sa baba kung saan ko siya na-order sa aking cousin na si Bay. So, yun. Thankfully, nung nakita ko siya kay V, meron siyang tindang ganito. So, yun. Kaso lang, hindi ko na alam kung paano ulit ako makaka-order. Kasi, yun, ang layo. Kasi dala pa to ni Riel. Nakalimutan ko na meron nga pala ako nito. So, yun lang. Diba? Chika agad. So, maglilinis dapat kasi ako ng bathroom today. Ang hirap lang maglinis ng bathroom dito kasi, siya, yung floor, vinyl. Hindi, kasi nasanay ako na pag yung bathroom kasi namin sa Pilipinas, all tile siya. So, pwede mo siyang scrubin. Lahat scrub mo. Ganun kasi talaga ako pag naglilinis ng bathroom. Gusto ko scrub lahat. Ngayon, may mga parts na hindi ko pwede basain tsaka scrubin. Kahit itong countertop, nakabalot siya ng vinyl. Hindi siya talagang, yung granite ba yun? Parang ganun. So, yun. Pero, ini-scrub ko pa rin siya, tapos tinutuyo ko siya agad. Kasi hindi ko kaya na, spray-spray, punas-punas lang. Yun lang. Nag-alarm na yung phone ko, sunduin na natin si Seiji. Where's kaya na? No, track him. My phone. Is he here na? Where is he?
Not yet.
What does the tracker says? Come here. Let me see.
He's at Deep North.
Oh, he is. Oh, he's here.
See, I told you he's at Deep the North.
Deep the North?
Deep the North.
Is this your favorite pajama? You always wears that.
Because I want to keep my hair safe.
Kasi bagong gupit siya. So, ayaw niya ng t-shirt. Gusto niya yung may botones kasi magugulo daw yung buhok niya. Arte yan eh.
So I can put my hair again.
Ah, okay. Maayos pa yung buhok mo eh. Natulog ka na.
LOL?
No, it's not.
Why did you say LOL?
Yeah.
Mom,
Mm.
you have the keys?
Yeah, I do.
Mom, I'm not going to fly.
Okay. Okay. Yan na. Your brother is here. Hindi ko kaya sila papasukin. Oh yeah, I forgot! Okay.
And this one girl was screeching at me.
Why?
Like, shh, shh. And there was like a girl roasting at her.
What did I tell you?
Yeah, I know.
Who will pick this up, Kenji? Hmm?
What? New video?
Yeah.
Watching.
Are you where? Is your...
She said that she wants me to go outside.
Today?
Yeah. Can we?
Well, let's check because it's about to rain.
It's not, yeah, it's not cold.
Yeah, it's not cold. It's a little hot. Are you hot?
No.
You
Well,
did
I'm
not.
sweaty because it was an epic day.
It is. So what else did you do at school?
I watched the talent show.
What talent show?
Yeah, well, people called it an assembly for the talent show.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What happened to you? Your pants are so dirty.
I know. I've been playing a fun game at recess.
What is
We
it?
were playing Chucky.
Did you finish your baon?
No.
Did you drink milk in the cafeteria?
I was scared to do it because
Why?
I thought I had low funds.
You have funds. It's just they saying it's low because it's below $10.
Below 10? How many?
But
how
you
many
have
funds do I have now?
5.
5 still.
Yeah. The milk is only 80 cents. You don't have to put so much money on your lunch money because you're not eating there.
How many cents do I have on my account?
With your account, you can still buy 5 milks.
5 milks?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna show my surprise. Go in the bedroom and I'll show you.
Okay. What is it?
Close your eyes.
Close our eyes. Wow!
Finally passed it.
Good job!
I finally passed it.
What's this? What did you say?
I said.
Yeah! Good job, Yaya.
Finally passed it. So it says here, I wanna pass. It's been like a few weeks since I...
Yeah.
Hi, friend. Say hi to vlog. Here, example. Say hi to our vlogs.
Oh,
Say hi to our vlogs. Say hi to our vlogs. Say hi.
5?
Yeah, that's what she did for the exam. Today, it's back home.
I still didn't get it because this is 3 boxes.
A few moments later.
But it's not that much.
What?
Capital R.
Rosebud?
Yeah, Rosebud.
Yeah, I know that.
How?
Because I know the game. So, arts and crafts for today. Wala na kasing phone. Masyado na kasi silang mag-gadget. Si Seiji ayaw naman sumali sa amin mag-painting. Kaya ang ginagawa naman niya, nagsisims. There. Habang nagsisims, naghahanap naman siya ng cheat. Naghahanap siya ng cheat kung paano dadami yung pera niya. Kaya, ayan.
Mom, look at my painting.
Si Kenji paint.
Look at my painting.
Wow, nice painting.
Okay. Mom, I know another one.
What?
Kaching.
How much is kaching?
1,000.
1,000 also? Yeah, that's an old sheet.
Hi guys, today we're painting. Jump. Yeah, I'm trying to fix right. Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. For a while. So, ginamit niya na yung fingers niya, no? Mas okay yan kaysa nandidiri siya. Kasi madidirihin siya eh. Oh.
I'm putting every color in it.
Yeah.
Mom, help me.
Why?
And then this and that. Mom, I'm gonna do like the Google thing.
Why?
Remember you showed me the secret Google games?
Okay. Go into kids account.
I'm done. I got an idea.
Tapos na kami mag-paint kasi ayaw na ni Kenji mag-paint. Nagpaluto na siya ng hash brown at saka pancake. Ngayon naglalaro siya ng water. Yung paint nilalagyan niya ng tubig. Naku, nagkabsaw na. Happy ka? Happy ka dyan? Ha? Okay. Nagkalat na ng tubig siya. Oh, Kenji talaga. Wala nang paint. It's all water. So, magmerienda muna tayo ng lansones. Thank you, Mama Liz. Umorder siya nito sa WeApp. Galing to sa Thailand. Kaya, ayun. Matamis siya. May mangilan-ngilan lang na para siyang, hindi siya maasim eh. Parang, tangy. Yun. So, yun nga lang pag, hindi ko kasi siya dinefrost lahat eh. So, frozen frozen siya. Yun, ang tagal ko nang nanghihintay. Kanina ko pang umaga to nilabas sa freezer eh. Kasi nung dumating sa akin, frozen to. So, ako lang naman kakain. Freeze ko ulit. Ayun, tumigas ulit. Para kung kumakain ng ice cream lansones. Sorbet, parang lansones sorbet. Sarap, matamis. So, dahil frozen pa yung lansones na merienda natin, buksan natin tong bigay ni Tita Sabel.
Let's open it up.
Kasing laki ba? Kasing laki ng ulo mo? Na Ferrero. Say thank you, Tita Sabel.
Thank you, Tita Sabel.
Oh, Tita Sabel told me you do something naughty last night. You did not tell me. What did you do?
A lot.
No, what did you do in her basement?
A little spilled water a lot.
A little or a lot? You told me it's a little. Is it a little or a lot?
A lot.
Oh my gosh. Why you did not tell me? So we can clean it. Hala. You apologize to Tita Sabel, okay?
I apologize.
Oh, you said sorry to Tita Sabel.
I said sorry when we're going out.
Ah, you did? You told her? Why you did not tell mommy? Huh?
I just don't wanna.
Hmm?
I don't wanna.
Ito, Wana. Okay, yan. Open na natin. Sorry, Tita Tabel. Tingnan natin kung Ferrero talaga siya na malaki. That's why I'm helping you. Careful, ha? You might cut your...
Yep, that's chocolate.
Is it chocolate?
Yep.
Baka kasi yung diba, usually, yung ganito kalaki, akala mo chocolate talaga siya, pero packaging lang, tapos may maliliit na chocolate sa loob.
I didn't know that's chocolate.
Yeah. Oo nga! Ang laking Ferrero!
I knew it.
What?
I knew that.
Okay. Malaki nga siyang Ferrero. May mga hindi na makapaghintay, oh. Big Ferrero. Sige.
Touch them.
No, okay na. Hindi kaya ng ngipin.
I'm done.
You're done? Kaya? Hindi kaya?
That's not I'm not big enough.
You're not big enough. How about Yaya? Yaya, you want to try the big Ferrero? It's a giant one.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Marami. Wala siyang laman sa loob. Akala ko may laman din siya sa loob. Wala pala. Iba yung Ferrero, may laman sa loob. Tapos may hazelnut sa gitna. Sarap. Bale, ano lang pala siya, yung buong outer shell ng Ferrero. Ang baba ng energy ko for today. Feeling ko pagod na pagod ako. Feeling ko, ganun yung feeling ko. Parang gusto ko na lang mag-lie down sa bed, matulog, ganyan. Grabe. Ewan ko, nag-coffee naman ako. Kaso yung coffee, iniinom ko, decaf. So, baka yun. Dapat yung talagang coffee. Na walang, na may caffeine, ganyan. Yung parang hihina ako na hindi ko maintindihan. I'm so tired. Kaya yun.
Mom, can I have one more?
One more what?
One more,
But this is only for your school. Oh, it's fine. It's fine if you're that hungry. But just reminding you, malakas si Seiji dito sa muffin. Favorite niya yung muffin. Ayan. What happened? What's that? Oh no, you have to throw it away. We cannot fix that anymore.
I know how.
No, you cannot. Why did you break the Nerf bullets? Seiji. Hey, don't throw it. Don't throw it on the floor. Throw it in the trash. Yun lang. So, that's all for today's video. Tomorrow, sana mataas ng energy ko. Hindi na ako pagod. Siguro drain lang ako kasi. Yun. Bye!